Hey everybody, this is Jed Toffer with White House Custom Color, and today we're going to talk about properly saving your image for print so you can send it to the lab. So what we want to do first is to make sure, I'm going to go ahead and crop this image into a 16 by 20, pretty standard, and make it 20 inches by 16 inches. And the big thing I want to make sure that I do is make my resolution 300. And so now this is my crop tool set up to crop this to a 16 by 20 at 300 dpi, which is what the lab wants. I'm going to crop that. And then you're going to see that I only have one layer currently with this image. And if I go in to try to save it right now, File, Save As, I will have the option to save this as a JPEG. I do want to point out that I'm going to go back and actually make a copy of this layer, so now I have two layers. And you'll notice that if I try to save it now, I do not have the option to save this as a JPEG unless I click Save a Copy. So if there's multiple layers, if there's more than one layer or more than one flattened layer in your image, you're not going to be able to save that as a JPEG unless you save it as a copy. So if I click Save as Copy, now my format gives me all kinds of different options, including JPEG, which is the one I want. Not JPEG 2000, not JPEG Stereo, just JPEG. So if I select JPEG, it's going to add the word copy into the file name. You can delete that if you want to. Save it wherever you want to on your computer. When you click Save, you'll notice then that you get this box, the JPEG's options box. You want to make sure that it's a level 10, not level 12, a level 10, and that the format is baseline standard. So click OK, and that image is essentially ready for you then to send it to the lab.